Yeah, they do.
Hi, bud. Oh, what happened to Zerd? It's okay.
It's okay. Look, want to say brother? Hi, baby. Look at your baby sister.
Baby.
What do you think of her? Is she so cute? Do you want to give her a kiss?
No.
Go ahead and close
Give
the
her a
door.
kiss.
So
No.
Mama. Bobby, give her a kiss. You want to kiss her head?
what do you think, bud? That's your sister.
Do you want to hold her?
No.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
Here, come
You
on.
want to hold her? Here, come on up here on the bed. Sit right here.
Here,
Sit down. Good job.
Don't kick your legs or anything.
You ready to hold Sissy? Yeah, it's your Sissy.
What do you think, bud?
Okay, ready to hold her? Good job. What do you think about her? You love her? Is that your Sissy? What do you think? You want to give her a kiss? Oh, she's yawning. Oh, oh, shh.
Baby's sleeping.
Do you want to give her a kiss? Oh.
Oh. Baby. Please.
What do you think about your baby sister Marlo? You love her? She's so tiny. What do you...
Oh, sit. Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, is that your sister? I see her. She's beautiful.
Baby.
She's your baby.
Is everyone?
She's your baby. She's cute. She's cute.
Baby.
Yeah.
Hey, bye.
That's your baby. You want to hold her? Hold on to her.
You say smile. Say cheese.
Say Marlo, cheese.
Cheese.
Say
Oh,
okay.
Marlo.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Smile.
Smile for Marlo.
Yeah, I love you, Marlo.
You're doing a good job holding her, baby.
Oh.
Hello. We're having a moment with Herbert, meeting him for the first time. I'll come back late. Thank you so much.
What do you think about baby sister? Do you like her? Yes?
Yeah. You're doing so good.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, you don't have her? Okay. Oh, you want Daddy to have her? Okay. Alright, Daddy has her.
Is this your sister?
Baby.
What's the baby?
Also, I had.
No, leave your socks on. Look at your baby. She's cute.
Cute.
How cute she is. You can give her a kiss if you want.
And kiss her forehead. Gentle.
Good job, bud.
I think she likes it.
Wait.
Wake.
Wait.
You want her to wake up?
I
I miss
You're like,
you.
I want to play.
I miss you.
love.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's sleeping.
Oh, good. Bye.
Why do you look so grown up?
Hi, Mom.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
Do you want to show her Buzz?
Oh,
Show her
Bye.
Buzz. Show her the toy.
oh, you share it?
Oh.
That is so nice.
Just sit up on the bed.
Give her a break.
Yeah.
You want a rag?
I
Mom.
her arms are here.
Bye. Bye.
think of her?
Here's a bye.
Oh, bus found?
Oh, can you help put that back on? It's hers. That's good, bud.
Good job.
Go.
That's a really good job,
Good
right?
job, bud.
Good job.
She likes you. She's leaning on you. Oh,
Goodness, that was a lot of it.
sorry, buddy.
We've had
Your
a
sister
couple
just
this
threw up on you.
That cholesterol is so thick and strong.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
There
I'm baby.
you go. I got that one.
This angle was better. The other one was getting too dark.
Yeah.
Poop.
She pooped.
Is that what he just
She
said?
pooped.
She pooped, didn't she, bud? What do you think, bud?
He says, I'm not liking this stuff.
Huh?
She pooped.
All right, shut it off. I don't know how. It was
What do you
absolutely Papa's greatest adventure.
Oh,